Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify Square payments with transaction lookup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Square payments using transaction lookup, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Square website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard section. In the dashboard, find and click on the Transactions tab. This will display a list of recent transactions processed through your Square account. To find a specific transaction, use the search bar at the top of the transactions list. You can enter details such as the transaction amount, customer name, or date to narrow your search. Once you find the transaction you want to verify, click on it to view more details. The transaction details page will provide essential information like the total amount, date, time, and the payment method used. Review the information carefully to ensure it matches your records. If needed, you can also check the status of the payment, which should indicate whether it has been completed, pending, or failed. For further verification, you can also access the customer receipt link to the transaction. If you need to print or email the receipt, look for the corresponding buttons on the details page. Make sure to take note of any fees associated with the transaction. Review the notes or tags associated with the transaction for additional context or identification. After finishing your verification, log out of your account for security reasons. This process will help you efficiently verify Square payments through transaction lookup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.